take a minute to play with it, you know, like just to, some of the things you can do here is to just open this room a little bigger and so on. And you can actually also respawn to see where your car is at. Who is your car here on all these cars? So I'm gonna do that with mine. And this is my blue car. So again, take a minute to play around with this and see what those things do. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So the next thing, so you got your car over there, right? One of the things that we can do here is to zoom this out. You know, you can even see from more outside how everybody's doing. So the first line of code we type here on this screen where it says main.py is called import car. Once we get this is just a coding package called car. Once we get that in, once we import that into our programming window, we can do a lot of things with that.